how to hide who texts you on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, this video provides a step-by-step guide on how to hide the sender's name in text message notifications on an iPhone. So, for that, you'll need to head over to your settings and then go to notifications. So scroll down and then find the messages. So tap on it. So scroll down and you'll find the show previews option. You have to tap on it and make sure that it is set to never or when unlocked. So that means now your the sender of the message won't be seen until you unlock your iPhone. So the notification will just show one text message and will not show the sender's name. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.